Dad, we got a package.
Oh, from Amazon. Let's take a look. Yeah. Let's take a look. What is it? One. Ooh. What is it?
Number 3.
Oh, 3 items.
Can I open this?
Oh, probably paintbrushes. Let's see.
Oh.
Paintbrushes.
Look,
Watercolor brush marker.
A person needs to wear 2 things to look great: confidence and smile.
And let's open the other one.
This is so good.
Let's open this one.
Wow.
This probably brushes. Let's see. Let's see.
What are these numbers for?
I think it's the number
What?
inside the box. There you go.
Cool. It's so fancy.
Cool.
I can do this. I always do this kind.
Okay, let's take a look at this one. You want to see this?
As you see this.
Whoa, look at that, how fancy.
Wow. Wait, what? There are only 4 colors?
No. Let's take a look here. Oh, it's so small.
What?
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at that. Paul Robbins. Paul Rubens?
Either Rubens or Robbins. Or
Okay, Paul Rubin.
Yeah, what is this?
Mixed color.
Ooh,
Brushes.
fancy.
Oh, from the same company. They're all Paul Rubin. Let's take a look. That's pretty nice. We're gonna soften it to see how it looks like.
Amazing.
It's amazing. We're gonna see. We're gonna put it to use.
Can I use it?
Sure. This kind of like a little too small for me to use it usually. Squirrel here.
Squirrel hair.
Oh, it's actually pretty good. Very soft. Take lots of colors for now, and there's also squirrel here. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Let's take a look. Open this up.
I'm trying to.
You know what? Because this is get in here.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. Now you can slide off. Let's take a look.
It's double locked.
No, yeah. Open it like this. But how am I going to carry this with me? How many colors? I think it's 24. Let's give a little try.
Okay. It's a bit thin. I like it.
Let me try a darker color.
I actually pretty like it. Let's try it dry. You can do it that fast.
But if you have it on a hot press paper, this should be fine. Where's that?
Cat.
That's how you draw the cat?
Mm-hmm.
The cake paints.
That sounds pretty weird.
Okay, let's open those papers. I guess we can.
So.
Yeah. You push this in, and you can lift the whole thing out. There we go. Now you put this on the side.
This is fancy. Can I use it?
Sure. Now we're gonna unwrap this. Let's take a look. So we're gonna put this back to the box like this. Push this in. Oh, it's already in. It's so easy. So for this one, close it first, and this one, and snap. It's good. It's a metal box. It's called tin box. It's nice over here like this. Or you can use this finger for holding it through. Oh, I can do it like this and holding it like this. And so we can do, let's do a little testing.
Okay. Now I hold it. Or using these brushes.
Sure, let's use that brush. Okay, so first you're gonna need the moisture. Let's take a look how much color it can come out and how
Let's
easy.
see which one's good.
And how easy it can come out. Oh wow, look at the color. It's beautiful, very rich.
Too much water.
You see that? I think your brush is not enough, doesn't grip enough colors.
Ooh, it's so good.
Oh, so very nice. Very nice color. Wow, oh, very nice. I like this brush too. This looks really nice. Feel good.
This brush is not good enough. I'll try this one. Nice. This brush is really good.
Really?
It's the medium-sized brown one.
Yeah, this brush is good too.
It's the biggest.
It's a good wash. This is really good.
Please do not disturb my line.
You think so?
Hey.
Yeah, looks good.
Don't touch it.
We see this color. Oh wow. If you want to mix the color, you mix the color over here. And wash the brush. This color mix into it. Now you have a new color.
I never knew watercolor was this easy.
Really? After our simple test, I thought those materials are very, very useful, especially when you are away from your studio. And just already get an idea. I'm going to bring this setup when I'm doing the paintings with the artist group. To doing figure drawing, figure paintings with watercolor, especially would only have like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And I'm looking forward to more videos. Thank you, the Light Wish team, sending over these materials. I'm putting the link to the description to the Amazon products. And if you want to take a look at it, read the descriptions on the website. If you enjoyed these lessons, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on notification. I will see you in my next lesson.